Lemmaphyllum microphyllum, the tiny fern with big personality. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the little guys. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Lemmaphyllum microphyllum, also known as the green penny fern. This miniature marvel packs a punch in the cuteness department, but there's more to it than meets the eye. What is Lemmaphyllum microphyllum? Lemmaphyllum microphyllum is a small, evergreen fern native to Southeast Asia. It's a true epiphyte, meaning it thrives growing on other plants or surfaces like rocks and trees. Its delicate fronds, resembling miniature green coins, rarely exceed half an inch in length. Despite its size, Lemmaphyllum microphyllum adds a touch of whimsy to terrariums, vivariums, and even potted gardens. Is Lemmaphyllum microphyllum difficult to grow? While not exactly fussy, Lemmaphyllum microphyllum does have specific preferences. Here's what you need to know. Light. This little fern prefers dappled shade or indirect sunlight. Harsh, direct light can scorch its fronds. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Aim for evenly moist soil or mounting medium, but avoid soggy conditions. Let the top layer of the substrate dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Lemmaphyllum microphyllum thrives in high humidity environments. Misting regularly or using a pebble tray filled with water can help maintain the desired level. Temperature. These ferns appreciate warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing them to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Soil. While draining, airy substrate is crucial. A mixture of orchid bark, sphagnum moss, and perlite provides excellent drainage and aeration. With proper care, your Lemmaphyllum microphyllum can reward you with slow but steady growth. Remember, patience is a virtue with these miniature marvels. Lemmaphyllum microphyllum versus button fern, Parosia pilocelloids. Both Lemmaphyllum microphyllum and the button fern, Parosia pilocelloids, are petite ferns popular in terrariums. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Size. Lemmaphyllum microphyllum is generally smaller, with fronds reaching around half an inch. Button ferns can grow slightly larger, up to an inch in diameter. Growth rate. Both are slow growers, but Lemmaphyllum microphyllum might be even slower. Light. Both prefer indirect light, but button ferns can tolerate slightly brighter conditions. Humidity. Both require high humidity, but button ferns might be a tad more adaptable to lower levels. Care. Overall, both require similar care, although Lemmaphyllum microphyllum might be slightly more sensitive to underwatering. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference. If you crave ultimate miniaturization, Lemmaphyllum microphyllum might be your champion. If you prefer a slightly larger fern with a touch more adaptability, the button fern could be a good fit. Can Lemmaphyllum microphyllum be propagated? Absolutely. The most common propagation method for Lemmaphyllum microphyllum is division. Here's how. Wait until your fern is well established and has formed a decent clump. Carefully remove the fern from its pot or mount. Using a sterilized knife, gently divide the clump into smaller sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots. Repot each division in a suitable container with fresh substrate. Maintain consistent moisture and humidity, and provide appropriate light conditions. Lemmaphyllum microphyllum can also be propagated through spores, but this method is more challenging and requires specialized techniques. Common problems with Lemmaphyllum microphyllum. While a resilient little fern, Lemmaphyllum microphyllum can face a few challenges. Brown fronds. This can be caused by underwatering, excessive light, or low humidity. Stunted growth. Insufficient light or nutrient deficiencies can hinder growth. Pests and diseases. Scale insects and mealybugs can occasionally be an issue. By providing proper care and addressing problems promptly, you can ensure your Lemmaphyllum microphyllum thrives for years to come. Where to buy Lemmaphyllum microphyllum? Finding Lemmaphyllum microphyllum might require some searching, but it's worth the effort. Online retailers specializing in rare plants or terrariums often carry them. You can also try contacting local nurseries or plant shows that cater to enthusiasts. With its delicate charm and manageable size, Lemmaphyllum microphyllum is a captivating addition to any miniature garden. By following these tips and providing the right environment, you can cultivate this tiny fern and witness its slow, steady magic.